Small business then can't be a part of another business and must have relatively little influence in its market. Dell Computer was a small business when founded by Michael, Michael Dell in 1984, but today it's number one in the personal computer market and is not small in any sense of the term. The importance of small business in the US economy. Well, we can see that most US businesses employ fewer than 100 people, and most US workers are employed by a small firm. Well, it shows that 86.09% of all businesses employ 20 or fewer people, another 11% between 20 and 99 people. Only about 1/10 of 1% employ 1,000 or more than those figure of the employees. And 25.60% of all workers are employed by the firms with fewer than 20 people. Another 29.10% work in the firms that employ between 20 to 99 people. The vast majority of these companies are owners operated. Well, it also shows that 12.70% of the workers are employed by the firms with 1,000 or more employees. We can measure the contributions of small business in terms of its impact by the key aspects of the US economic system, and including job creation, innovation, and importance to big businesses. Let's talk about job creation. Well, relative job growth among businesses of different sizes is hard to determine. For one thing, when a successful small business starts adding employees at a rapid clip, it might quickly cease being small. Dell Computer had one employee in 1984, Michael Dell himself, but the payroll grew to 100 employees in year 1986. And then moving on from year 1986 to 2000 in 1992, it went on to more than 39,000 in 2004. While there was no precise point at which Dell turned from small into large business, some of the jobs it created were counted in the small business sector and not in the large business. Small businesses, especially in certain industries, are an important source of new and often well-paid jobs. In recent years, small businesses have accounted for 38% of all new jobs. Highly technological sectors of the economy. Jobs, of course, are created by companies of all sizes, all of which are to hire and lay off workers. Although small firms often hire at a faster rate, they are also likely to cut jobs at a faster and higher rate as well. They are first to hire in times of economic recovery, but big firms are the last to lay off workers during the downfall or downsizing or downswings. Innovations. History reminds us that major innovations are as likely to come from small businesses or individuals as from big ones. Small firms and individuals invented the personal computer and the stainless steel razor blade, the transistor radio and the photocopiers, the jet engine and the self-developing photograph. The device used to repair the Vice President Dick Cheney's ailing heart was developed by a small business, as was new battery-powered one-person vehicle called Segway's Human Transporter. It was also developed by a small business. In addition, innovations were not always the new products. Michael Dell did not invent the PC, but he developed the innovative way to build it by finished components and then assemble them. An innovative way to sell it directly to the consumer, first by the telephone and now via the internet. Today, says SBA, small business supplies 55% of the all labor and all the innovations and all the creations made in USA. So this is an innovative and creative way of bringing in the new technologies, the new things in the market. Today, says SBA, the small business supplies 55% of all the innovations that reach the USA marketplace. great achievement.